Hey, what up YouTube? It's your man Ghost back with another video today. When I say this channel is really about the life of Mike, it's about the life of Mike. Mike 1 and Mike 2. Alright, so in today's video, I've already performed the work, but what happened was a couple weeks ago, especially in the state of Virginia, we started getting a little heat wave, things started getting warm, and had a little issue with my AC unit. Well, last year, what happened was it needed Freon, it had a slight leak. Called out one of the major AC companies that's out here in Virginia. They came, took a look at it, and the guy claimed it was a sensor that had went bad on my unit. Now I have a Rheem unit, or RUD, however you wanna, I guess they kind of about the same now. Well, the unit stopped working once again, all right? So couldn't get it back going. He said next time he came out, it was probably gonna be, we had to replace the defrost board. Cost of the defrost board from them, $500. Not sure if that was labor included. Calm down. My dog going crazy. Major. He got the zoomies all of a sudden. But, all right, so I don't have the $500 to be trying to replace anything, especially not with no unit, no heat unit. So what I did was look on Amazon and found a board that was compatible with it, because now they have a upgraded board or a newer version of the board, which the board only cost me $51, all right? So did the work myself, me and little man, we did the work and got the unit back running, all right? So it's running now, everything is operational, got all the wiring back tied together. This was the culprit. I guess the board that they was gonna charge $500, but it cost me $50. The markup is ridiculous. I wanna say it took me, let's see, at 7:39, I started right about, I wanna say a little bit before 6:45, somewhere about. So it took me almost about 45 minutes to an hour to get done. Took a little bit of tools. All I did was flip the breakers off, took everything out, put wire back by wire, took pictures, take plenty of pictures, because if you're not the one doing the wiring, I know for me anyway, when I don't do wiring, I don't like going behind anybody else's wiring. So this right here, unfortunately, I had to go behind somebody else's wiring and try to clean it up as much as possible. I think I did a pretty good job. What y'all think? It looks pretty neat in there. Put a couple of your wire tabs, had to replace the sensors. There's also another sensor that's on the inside of the unit that comes with the board, on the coils right up in that area. All it is a clip on. You just clip it on and then pull it off and rerun the wires back through the holes. But everything is functional, everything is normal. Now, I don't know if you can see those two flashing lights right there. On the board, it do tell you what the lights mean. It's kind of like a diagnostic system on its own. So right now, everything is flashing normal. So on your board, if you're having an issue with it, or it could be, you know, that type of issue, on your board, this is the serial number on the board, and all you do is just go in and you just type that in to Google. I just Google searched it, and it actually came up with the replacement part for it. Now there are places out there that do have OEM parts, but in the past, even with vehicles, OEM parts and the newer model parts is pretty much the same, long as it matches up. Everything did match up on the board, even the whole diagnostic readout over here, and I'll show you what it'll say, like if the lights are flashing and things like that. These two lights is what corresponds to these. So oh, and here go the sensors. Let me pull those out. This is the ambient temperature sensor that came with it, and I don't know what this sensor is called, but it's for the coils, because once I took it off on this board, it came up saying that the coil sensor failure. So I guess that sensor is just for the coils to measure how cold or how hot the coils are. But yeah, it's not bad at all, man. We're just gonna see how it's gonna work and keep it moving. So I guess I fixed it. It's been like 84 degrees in the house. We got box fans, ceiling fans, got windows up. So now the unit should be fixed, it's running. Hopefully it stay running. Hopefully we don't have any more issues with it, but if we do, I don't know what to do from that point on. But anyway, another video for the Life of Mike. Life with Mike, my apologies. What you got to say about it? Was it easy to you?
Easy fix.
It was easy fix, even though you weren't doing nothing but just holding the wire ties and the snips and stuff like that. Yeah.
Breaking rocks.
Yeah, breaking rocks. So, Major, you got anything to say? No? You over there enjoying the dirt? Yeah. But anyway, all right, y'all. But we'll see y'all on the next video. Until next time, peace.